Alright folks, this is Alan, tuning George's car. I finished the build with all the upgrades, supporting mods today. Spent the whole day grinding that out. It's been at about 1 bar of boost so far this late afternoon and early evening. It's doing very well. Really good, damn near perfect bass tune that I set. It starts at 11, dips in the mid-10s for air fuel wise, for those curious. Like I said, boost is around 1 bar. I did resolve the boost issue, which I thought was wastegate related, so it's not mechanical. Well, it kind of is, but I just redid a lot of stuff under hood that I was going to do anyway, so that squared that away. Just reviewing some logs of second and third gear pull, and going to revise boost cycle map and hopefully get to 17-18 psi tonight and expedite the MAF-less speed density tuning for Mitsubishi Owners Day this Saturday. Also with me is a passenger riding shotgun who has a 95 SL. His name is George. Say hi, George.
Hello everybody.
You can't see him in the dark, but you can hear him. He will be my second pair of eyes to get this done quicker, as well as assistant for getting this done as far as helping me hold the laptop and pausing logs and all that crap. So here we go.
It's going.
Alright, hello everyone. I revised the boost map, trying to get another 2 psi out of this. Currently at 1 bar of boost. More in-car footage brought to you by my assistant for tonight, George. It's easier to tune without tuning and driving and filming like I normally do. So here goes the second gear pull. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Ready, set, go. Woo! Shit. That was an 80 punch. That's jail time right here. Good thing I'm not doing third gear pull yet. Unfortunately, there's some phantom knock that I'm picking up. I'm unable to find it right now. It may just be the knock sensor going on the fritz. On the bright side, it's not adversely affecting my ignition timing numbers. Actually, it's putting everything into spec where I want it, so I don't even have to run any correction right now, which is, it works in my favor for the meantime being, but I might have to look more into that later when I do the MAF-less speed density tune. Right, cut it. Alright, so got a nice second and third gear pull again with my revised boost map. Hitting about 80% duty cycle already. This is with 610 effective cc's or 550s with bumped fuel pressure, appropriately bumped. I'm tuning out the onset of boost. Not yet having to touch ignition timing. Hoping I do not have to touch ignition timing. Right now I'm going to do a third gear pull instead of second. Try to get a full stretch of data. Possibly something good enough for virtual dyno or VD software. So I'm expecting this one to be good. We have a green light. Hopefully it stays fucking green. Oh shit, this guy's turning. Oh, you fucker. Oh, there goes neighborhood security. Stop it.